Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share something incredible. How I made $12,000 profit using my premium trading algo AI bot on pocket option, and get this, I have achieved it with $1,000 per trade, all within a 1 minute time frame. In this video, I will walk you through the live trades, explain the strategies, and show you why AI bots are the future of trading. Stick around to see this in action. Before we dive into the live trading session, let me give you a quick overview of the setup. My premium AI bot is designed to analyze market trends, execute trades, highlighting speed, and optimize for maximum profits. Today, we are focusing on high stakes trades, $1,000 per position in a 1 minute time frame. Let's see how it performs. So why should you consider an AI bot? It's simple. They eliminate emotional trading, execute decisions faster than you can blink, and work 24/7. This isn't just trading, it's the next evolution in financial technology. If you are serious about scanning your trading game, this is the tool you need. Here's the live trading session. Watch as the bot scans real-time data and identifies high probability opportunities. First trade placing $1,000, and boom, that's a win with a solid profits. Let's go for the next one. As you can see, it's all about speed and precision. No emotions and no hesitation, just calculated decisions. Another trade placed, and that's another win. This is why AI bot are game changer for traders. They work tirelessly, analyze data faster than any human, and delivers consistent results. Let's take a look at the results. In just a few minutes, the bot generated an impressive 12,000 profits for multiple trades. With a success rate like that, it's as clear that AI-powered trading is the way forward. Whether you are trading forex, binary options, or cryptocurrencies, this technology can give you a massive edge. And there you have it, 12,000 profits in a single session thanks to my premium trading algo AI bot and pocket option. If you are ready to take your trading to the next level, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's go together and dominate the markets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.